Today is a special day, Spicy Life Family TV. My name is Pepe Lopez from Spicy Life, and I want to introduce you for the first Technology Kids Education Center, free education for kids I built with the help of other visionaries in Dominicalito Bay, Costa Rica. Teslito Kids Education Center will bring free high-tech education to the most needy kids in Costa Rica. This is the first one. After this, my goal is to build 10 more. Let's check it out. Spicy Life, Willas! Spicy Life! Thank you, Josie Cudmore, for donating new tablets to Teslito Kids Education Center. Without you, would not be possible. Thank you to Josh and Irene to donating for Teslito Kids. Ahora, lo Willas, a ver. Kids are the future. Wow. Teacher Nancy. ¿Cómo se llama ella? We're here with Teacher Nancy. Nancy comes to teach. Nancy, what is so important about this teaching to the kids?
So that they can know how to print 3D printing. It's fun, and they can print all kinds of animals and crosses, and it's fun for them to learn how to do it on the computer, type it on the computer, and then they can print their own little creature or whatever they want to print.
Nancy, we're really thankful for you to come into Teslito Kids Technology Education Center in Costa Rica and donating your time. We know you guys are moving to Costa Rica, and this is so big because what you're doing and the energy you're putting, it's big for the kids in the future. You're making this place a better place, and we're so happy to have you. Thank you so much.
Oh, de nada.
Pura vida, Spicy Life.
Spicy Life.
Ok, todos. Thank you, Teacher Nancy. ¿Y cómo se llama él? Teacher Team. Thank you, Teacher Team. We are with Teacher Team. Teacher Team comes from Las Vegas and Lake Tahoe. Team, what are you teaching today to the kids here in Dominicalito Center? So important technology.
My wife and I are teaching them how to use a 3D printer and to 3D print toys.
Team, and this is useful for what?
It teaches them engineering. So right now we're teaching classes on how to use the two printers, and then we're going to teach them how to use CAD to make pieces and then to print them. So it teaches them to use CAD for design and then print the parts.
Basically, solving problems for humanity. Wow, so big. Thank you, team. Spicy Life.
Spicy Life.
You said, what do you like?
I like technology. I like drawing.
¿Qué te gusta aprender?
Estudiar y aprender inglés.
Ok, Cristal, ¿qué te gusta a ti mucho?
Dominicalito.
Eso, un aplauso, Cristal. We're here in Teslito Education Center with Grace. Grace is the Vice President of the association. Grace, why is Teslito so important for the Costa Ballena and Costa Rica and the world?
It's very important, yeah, because all these kids have something to do and an opportunity to learn with the technology and use their time. That is very valuable.
Okay, Pedro, we're here with you. You are a master in media photography, and you're being part of Teslito Kids Education Center. What do you think about this project?
Well, I came here for the first time today, and I was surprised because I thought it was a little bit smaller, and it's big. Kids are happy here. They have things to do here. They are learning here. It's really, really inspiring to see you and a lot of other people doing this, and I just wish that this continues like this and grows more and more.
Thank you so much, Pedro. Kids are the future. You are the best.
Kids are the future, bro. Spicy.